Hey guys, CJ here with Mudline Media. Back to this toggle switch. So I just wired up my turn signals to my headlights, to the halos. Very nice. No hyper flash because you have to tie into your stock wiring. Again, it runs through the Bluetooth module for some reason, but it is what it is. So if you want your turn signals on, you do have to have your toggle switch on, but it does not interfere with your normal turn signals. So yeah, nice little feature. Finally got that all sorted. Quite like it. They're nice and bright. So yeah, perfect.